Hi friends, so this video shows how to enable and change always on display. So first we need to enable always on display. For that, go to settings, tap on this settings app icon, then tap on lock screen. So here you can see always on display. We can tap here and enable it. If you want to see more settings of always on display, tap on this. Here you can see three options. Tap to show, show always, show as scheduled. Select second option. This is the one method of enabling it. There is one more method. You can swipe from top, then swipe down one more time. Here you can see always on display. We can tap here and enable. So now let me check. You can stop the screen. Just see, now here you can see always on display here. If you want to change it, we can change it. There is an option for change the always on display. Just press power button again. Again we need to open settings app, tap on settings, then go down, tap on themes. So we need to switch on Wi-Fi. So let me tap on themes again. So this will open Galaxy Themes app. So this is a Galaxy Themes app. In the bottom you can see, bottom right corner you can see AODS, always on displays. Tap on that. So now here you can see lot of AODS. Tap on top, then tap on all, then tap on free. So now you are seeing only free always on displays. You can select one AODS from here. So let me select this, then tap on download. See, now it's downloading. Done. Then tap on apply, then tap on done. Okay, now I have applied new always on display. Let me check it. Just off the screen using power button. See, now you can see newly applied always on display here. So let me press power button again. Let me go to settings app, then go to themes again. So here if you want to see already downloaded AODS, you can tap on these three lines on the top left corner, then tap on my stuff, then tap on AODS. Here you can see all the AODS which you downloaded. Here you can see one tick mark, that means this is the AODS which is right now active. So this is a default always on display. So this way we can enable and download and change AODS always on displays. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.